Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Good afternoon and good evening, my people. Depending where on a day, we're going to take our greetings from Obidati Family TV. Welcome to Hope Alive, the program where we say we they bring the things as it take they happen. As our mandate, they don't collect them, we they fight back, make we get our mandate back. So today, now another episode where we say we'll discuss and dissect what in they happen for court, and they bring the thing as it take be. So we'll go right into waiting happen for court today, will be 14th. And as we know, yesterday, save all the evidence where we say we get, where we carry come inside motor plenty, where we show that same yesterday. All that the court accept them, come put them for one side for the court, say they don't accept them as for evidence. All these forms, so we say, would they bring one, mostly the ones from IREV, then they object to them. But something very, very important, very, very, I don't know how to put them, happen. So we need to be happy about that. That is the fact that Inec chairman will appear in court. And he will answer to all these questions. And that will form the major thing we want to talk about today. So make we pay attention well. All the things as it take be, we go bring them out. All the opposing that they have been opposing, we want open them, make we they get understanding how the thing take be. Why they oppose these things? Make them come oppose their own chairman, make we see. So we go inside now, make we begin to discuss them. And we go bring about waiting to happen for the judicial system now, where we say our people need to shine their eyes. The judiciary themselves, we go give them waiting, then they call that judicial notice. Make them know, say we know waiting they happen. To discuss all these things with me today, I did for studio with Angel. And Dr. Télbert did for Zoom. All of us know him. So first, make we first begin to show how that thing take end and how these lawyers tell us, say, Mahmoud, they come court by subpoena, by summon, by fire, by force. Ingo come court. Make una hear as them take talk am. And as them take talk am, make I no take their mouth, take chop onions. Make una hear from them. Then go take the discussion forward. Make our lawyers know how the thing they pay us and how they go take act.
My obedient people, una welcome. Good day to every one of you. Una, I know say una day all right. Thank God for life, because life now be the most important thing. Because once we dey alive, we go they pursue them, they go one after the other. The thing where they sweet TV say confession full everywhere. They don't they confess small. The fear of Obi na the beginning of wisdom. Small, we go get our mandate. Whether they like them or not, we must get them by fire, by force. Mahmoud own when he come to court now, we go ask her so many questions. I know say you get questions. Me too, I get so many questions. Especially that 25% for Abuja, where we go use, now be the first one where we go use comot Tinubu for Aso Rock. My people, make una tanda with day.
Before this Tuesday, the PDP had brought a total of 18 witnesses to help with its case, as it seeks to nullify Tinubu's victory at the presidential polls held on 25 February. And the party called 2 additional persons, including a special witness, to help Atiku's case at the presidential election court. The special witness, who was PDP national coordinator of its Situation Room during the presidential election, tendered 3 video evidences in separate flash drives. The first is a video of Inec's chairman where he stated there is no going back on the use of BVAS devices on election day, as well as the upload of results onto IREV real-time. The second is that of Festus Okoye, an Inec national commissioner, stating that if there's sustained malfunction of the BVAS, the election will be postponed to the next day. And the third is that of the European Union Election Observer Mission, which stated that Inec only began uploading results onto the IREV at 10 p.m. on election day. At the close of the day's proceedings, Atiku's lawyer, Sèérious, informed the Justice Haruna Tsamani-led 5-member panel that the subpoena had been issued on the Inec chairman to appear before the court.
When we now mentioned that we had subpoenaed the Inec chairman, you can see that there are some documents we tendered and they objected to. But now we are also subpoenaing them to come by themselves and produce those documents. Yeah. Those documents, let them produce them themselves so that we'll know whether they will object or not object to the ones they will produce by themselves.
Meanwhile, in the Labour Party petition hearing earlier in the day, reports of INEC result viewing portal IREV from 5 states were tendered in evidence. Continuation of hearing of both petitions have been fixed for Wednesday, 14 June.
Do you live in Nigeria? Do you have a prepaid electricity meter? Guess what? We have built a quick...
You see, my people, when I welcome back. So it dey sweet me when we dey hear from the lawyers. Some people go talk say, no be PDP lawyers be this. We get one thing in common with PDP. We no agree with the announcement with this very election. So we agree at one thing, that the election was rigged. Therefore, when the one where they go for their own side, we be saying in the same thing we get in common, we go dey share them because na the same thing. We fit get where we differ, make we keep that one by the side. But for this very one, they don't already say they summon them. Now, one of the greatest thing, if you ask me, now it happen. Why? Because one, that glitches where happen for that day as Festus Okoye first introduced wetin be glitches to us. The question where they ask them for a national television, now whether then go explain wetin that glitches mean. Talk say in appointed time, their ICT team go explain them. Months don't pass, they never explain them. That's one. Then secondly, they come talk say they no go allow political parties to come check wetin happen for their back end server. Now the same Festus Okoye, na him talk am. Up till now, they no give access to the lawyers or even all the political parties where we say this PDP and LP to go and check even the documents itself. After they don't pay money to give them documents where we say they need to present as evidence, they no bring them. Several things where don't happen. We go talk say judiciary, go do this one judiciary, go everybody go talk say na judiciary. Make I don't talk am before and I go talk am again. Judiciary, then they show their sign say na somebody wey be say dem cover in eye. Meaning say na wetin you carry come for them, na dem go take judge you. They know they go do investigation. No be their job be that one. You fit get your own opinion, but me, I dey bring my own, and the people wey be say dem dey analyze with me, dem go share their own. So as Mahmood dey come, go sit down for that very witness box, he go testify against Tinubu, because I know say na wetin God go do. He go testify against Tinubu. He go talk wetin happen. These forms wey be say dem dey object, we go see whether if him bring that form come, in lawyers go object to am. I go see am, because all this objection, opposing, wey dem dey do every day, and they suspect am. Every day, dem go talk say dem oppose, say dem go give their reason for final address. Yes, we agree, but we no go wait until that final address. Make we even get that man wey be say na him be the person wey be say in dey deal with these things. Now, Dr. Tébà dey here, and I know say he know the things wey be say, questions wey be say we want ask Mahmood, because na Nigerians versus Inec. It's not really about Obi. Na Nigerian mandate na the man take. So the questions where we want, if you make your own comments here, so that when the man see done there, whether na tomorrow or na today in the appear, make the man for answer some certain question where we go put to our legal team. Then go ask those questions. Our legal team, na human beings them be, and then they make mistake, and they forget some things. We where we dey, somebody will be say, you think say no even if you get one kind fine opinion or judgment. If you say something where we say, now one question where you go ask that man, you go fumble. You see, so that's why we talk say today, we go look am, and then we'll dive into what thing they happen to the judiciary. Because we don't get evidence say many judges for this our courts, they compromise. Many judgments where then they carry come out, saying a solicited judgments, we go bring the evidence. We go show now, as they take their mouth, take talk am. Dr. Tébà, make we start with Mahmood. The expectations of what our lawyers are to do, the grilling that will happen on that very day, and all the things, that evidence we need him to come out with, including his IT team. Those people will talk say glitch there. Make we hear from you before I start. You know, say my verse they catch me. Angela, I'll get to you. Make we start with Dr. Tébà.
Please. The Mahmood appearing in court with his IT team, whether he appeared in person or his IT team comes to represent him, offers us opportunity to put it to them that there was no glitch. There was no glitch on the day of the election. There was no glitch at all till today. And secondly, it will prove to the world that indeed the beavers, nothing can be deleted. The beavers is an electronic device. If it has a magnetic storage system, which is what we call hard disk, I can tell you that whatever they think they have deleted is not deleted. Even if there was a time when the password was changed, which we believe, the history will show it. That's why Inec is holding it back. Because Inec knows that if the proper question is thrown to the IT team of Inec by professional professionals too, who knows the system, everything will fall flat in its face. When even the IP address of the person that changed the password will be revealed, and that person will be shown and be proven to the world that it is Inec that compromised beavers. Inec destroyed the hope of Nigerians. Inec made it possible for House of Assembly and Senate to work, but for the presidency not to work. That's why they are not releasing it. And if Mahmood appears, he will be asked questions, and his answers will be answer given under oath. It means that if he lies, he goes to prison. And if he says the truth, he will expose the fraud that they perpetuated. And I am saying all these things with the hope that our judiciary is still working. Because, of course, yesterday, you saw how a senator says that he has been using his influence as a husband to determine the judgment of the appeal court of the Federal Republic, because his wife was asking the former Senate president, how did you come back to the Senate even when you didn't go for a primary? So I am saying what I am saying, hoping that the judiciary will not allow themselves to be manipulated either by the wife of a judge
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.